Let us see how to use ThinkStudio to get property of an Excel cell. Drag and drop Excel get property action from activities. Drag and drop message box action from activities. Stitch all action nodes into a task workflow. Set column index and row index property of Excel get property action. Set sheet name and workbook name property of Excel get property action. Set text property of message box action to point to property value property from the Excel get property. Click Run button from toolbar. You can see the task is executed successfully.